My name is Mukul Kumar. I'm the Chief Academic Officer at Hult International Business School. Our goal at Hult is to create global business leaders and professionals who will adapt to all of the challenges of the business world. And we do it by helping them not only learn the theory and the concepts, but also practice each of those ideas to go from learning to doing. Our overarching academic pedagogy goes by the name of LEAP. It stands for Learn, Experience, and Action Projects. First, L. L stands for Learn. Like most business schools, we use the case study method as the basis for discussion in our classrooms.
We look at problems faced by companies over the last 20 to 30 years. It gives students a great insight into how things actually work in the real market.
The thing that's distinctive about our approach is helping bring a lot of interactive elements. Certainly discussions with your peers who will come from many, many different countries of the world.
I haven't been working with anyone from the same country, anyone from the same background, or anyone from the same industry. You need to learn how to adapt with that, and I think, personally speaking, it's the hardest thing about the MBA, but also the most rewarding.
The chance to see what others in the class think about a particular question using polling with the iPads that you'll have in your hands.
This interactive classroom experience really challenges ways of thinking or ways of expressing yourself. I think I've learned more, to be honest, because I feel that I'm always on my toes. Everyone is always, jumping at the bit to answer, and that interactivity I feel is great for the learning experience.
All of this is done with faculty who have deep experience not only in teaching, but also in industry.
In class, we could discuss any company, and our global citizenship professor would be able to give us insights which we probably won't be able to find anywhere else.
The second pillar of LEAP is experience. We want to make sure that we let you benefit from the experiences of the business leaders of our times. We bring in executive speakers like Steve Forbes or John Scully and give you the opportunity to experience the choices they've made, the mistakes they've made, and the kinds of challenges they're looking at today.
And attending these executive speaker events was a great opportunity to learn from an experienced professional.
We also want to give you the chance to actually experience interesting situations. Imagine being in a factory in Shanghai. Suddenly you get to see what the real challenges of running a global supply chain are and how one particular firm is managing them. It's going to inspire you to think differently in the global world of tomorrow.
The global rotation, in my opinion, is one of the highlights of the program. It gives you more awareness of how to engage and to work and relate to people from other countries and other cultures.
The third element of LEAP is action projects. We want to give you a chance not only to learn, but also to learn how to do. The chance to work on real client problems, with real deadlines, creating deliverables, and the chance to get lots and lots of feedback.
Just an unbelievable experience to learn something in class, apply it to a real-life problem, and then get instant feedback from senior executives in that industry.
The chance to effectively succeed or fail like you would in the real world in a lower risk setting.
It's such a rare occasion for you to solve a real-life problem at school.
Students on our London campus worked with last-second tickets. The CEO there set the challenge for our students to bring more traffic to the website.
Within 3 weeks, they'd really kind of honed in. The results they were achieving were really quite astonishing.
It's quite a different thing to just sit in the classroom and read a book and talk about cases versus being up on stage presenting your solution to the real-life executives.
Through that exercise over 3 weeks, they generated another 2,000 customers into my business.
Amazing experience to go from classroom knowledge to strategy to actually seeing how it fares in the real world.
I think it's very important for students to have an opportunity to combine theory with practice experiences, valued perhaps even more than your higher education.
I would anticipate from the end of the Hult project that I would be taking maybe 2 or 3 interns.
And our active LEAP methodology gives our students the confidence once they graduate to succeed in their future business endeavors.